Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. Today we're going to make a Parrot Sunrise. Welcome everyone. I'm Mark. This is the Average Me channel. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. In today's video we are going to make a Parrot Sunrise. So I have my parrot shirt going on. I don't have any parrots behind me, but we do kind of have a sunrise, don't we? So this drink is going to use spiced rum, coconut rum, dark rum. Oh yes, there's a lot of rum in here. Passion fruit juice and guava pineapple juice. Roses lime juice. That's about it. Now you might say, I've never heard of a Parrot Sunrise. That's because this week I just made it up. It is oh so good. Actually, it's kind of a variation on a rum runner, which is why there's so much rum in here, but really a completely different drink. If I were to call this a rum runner, people would ride me out of town on a rail. Okay, I don't know if they would actually do that. But we'd have a lot of comments saying that I don't know what a rum runner is. So, let's get started. We're gonna start with 1 shot each of my spiced rum and my coconut rum. So, let's get our, oh, I don't have the other half of my Boston shaker. Do you ever think I do that on purpose, just to do that little magic trick? All right, let's get started. So this is going to take 1 shot or 1 part. It really doesn't matter because everything is pretty much equal in this cocktail. So we're gonna take 1 shot of spiced rum. Why I like corks. Corks are a lot more fun to take out and they're easier to put back. 1 shot of our coconut rum. And this is our Wicked Dolphin coconut rum from right here in Southwest Florida. Dark rum, we're going to hold off on. Now, this has already been pre-measured. I have 1 ounce, a little less than my shots, but you can go with a shot if you want, of the passion fruit juice. And then we have the guava pineapple juice. And you can get that in the grocery store. And then we have Rose's lime juice. Now I know you're used to seeing me cut a fresh lime and juice the lime. So what's the difference between getting that fresh lime and the roses? Well, there's quite a bit of difference. The fresh lime has a much stronger lime flavor, but the roses also has sugar in it. So be aware of that. So we've been using my jigger, so I'm going to use a small jigger for this. I do want to get some lime juice. I don't want it to be overpowering, and I don't want it to be too sugary sweet, because that will put quite a bit of sweetness in this cocktail. And we already have 2 different types of fruit juice, so that's really about all we need. And we shake till it gets so cold we can't hold on to it anymore. Ooh. And we're just about there. I'll tell you, I know that a lot of you are probably in areas where it's already getting cold. You know, there's probably frost on the ground when you wake up. But here in Southwest Florida, it is beautiful. Really beautiful mornings. Here we go. going to add one more thing. Grenadine. Now the reason we want grenadine is two reasons. It adds a little bit of sweetness. It's not going to have that much flavor because I'm not putting a lot of it in, but what it's going to do mainly is give a little more color. This is really kind of a yellow orange, but you'll see when we put the grenadine in, it's going to add just a little bit of color, and it doesn't really take much. And isn't that beautiful? And now you can see the variation, so it really does look like a sunrise when you have the darker down at the bottom and it lightens up. But what do we put at the top? This is where our dark rum comes into play. We don't need much. We're just going to have a floater of this. And if you'd like, you can pour it over the back of a spoon. Right now we have enough ice up here that it will be just fine, and that floater will stay up there. And doesn't that look wonderful? It's got the golden of the dark rum at the top, and it moves into the yellow and the orange, and then the deep red at the bottom. So beautiful. And you can garnish that with a lime if you'd like. You can garnish it with an orange, even though there's no orange juice in here. We're just going to garnish that with an umbrella. And before I drink this, we're going to get a picture of it. There we go. I brought out my picture of Rosita so we could get a nice thumbnail for the video. But let's give this a try. Oh my goodness. This tastes like the tropics. It is, it's really like no drink you probably had, because you're tasting the mix of the rums. Very slight taste of coconut. You're getting the juices in there. It's sweet, but not overly sugary. This is really a wonderful drink. I hope you give this a try. But remember, if you say, well, I don't have guava pineapple juice, that's all right. Mix things to your liking. Use the juices that you like. Use orange juice, use pineapple juice, whatever you would like. You know, get a nectarine and squeeze that in and see if you like it. This particular drink, I was so surprised when I was just making things on my own, and I stumbled across this and I thought, wow, if this were at my favorite restaurant, I would be ordering this on a regular basis. But right now, I'm going to head out to my lanai. I'm going to sit back, I'm going to watch the sunset, and enjoy my cocktail. So I'd like to thank you for joining me. I hope that you do the same. As always, I encourage you to like and share the videos. Leave your comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe by clicking my face in the corner, and don't forget to ring that bell icon way up above. That way you'll know when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back here next week on Thirsty Thursday.